Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the top-notch renovation update, number 47 kabillion 857,232,407. I have started to do my ballast, and what I'm using for ballast is a stuff called poultry grit. We'll get to that in a minute, and I'll show you. But I'm laying the ballast, and then I'm spraying it liberally with alcohol. And then I'm spraying a mixture of 1 part glue, 1 part water to hold it all down. I just sprayed it all. It's going to dry a little lighter because the poultry grit is a little lighter. So this is what I'm looking at now. Hopefully it'll dry solid, but we'll see. And this is the poultry grit, the stuff I'm using. I ordered it from Tractor Supply. And this stuff is pulverized granite or insoluble crushed granite. That's what that is right there. And from what I'm hearing, this stuff is pretty darn good on the O-scale layouts for ballast. Because quite honestly, and I'm not cheap, but quite honestly, the regular ballast is extremely expensive. So we'll see how this turns out. Thanks.